Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the decade, the 2026 Ferrari F80. Ferrari has always stood at the pinnacle of performance, design, and exclusivity, and the F80 is no exception. It's a machine built not just to dominate the track, but to redefine the future of the Ferrari brand. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the F80 an engineering masterpiece. The exterior of the 2026 Ferrari F80 is nothing short of jaw-dropping. It's a dramatic evolution from the LaFerrari with an aggressive stance, fluid aerodynamics, and futuristic design cues that scream speed even while standing still. Ferrari's wind tunnel development has clearly paid off. This car is sculpted for maximum downforce and minimal drag. The low-slung front end features razor-sharp LED headlights that blend seamlessly into the sharply angled hood, while massive air intakes feed the hybrid system and cool the brakes. Along the sides, you'll find pronounced carbon fiber side skirts and massive sculpted channels that push air to the rear diffuser. At the back, a large active rear wing and aggressive quad exhaust setup complete the look. Every line and curve is designed with purpose, merging beauty with brutal function. The F80 looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, and yet it's real, it's here, and it's ready to dominate. Inside, the F80 is equally breathtaking. Ferrari has gone with a minimalistic, driver-focused layout while still incorporating high-end luxury materials. Step into the cabin and you're greeted by Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum throughout. The steering wheel is a Formula One-style unit, packed with controls for drive modes, suspension settings, and more. Behind it sits a fully digital, customizable instrument cluster that delivers telemetry, performance data, and navigation with crystal clear resolution. The center console is stripped down sleek and futuristic. No traditional gear lever here, just capacitive touch controls and drive selectors. The bucket seats are aggressively bolstered, yet surprisingly comfortable, with perfect visibility of the road and the digital display. Despite being a hypercar, Ferrari didn't forget connectivity. The F80 includes a top-tier infotainment system with voice control, Apple CarPlay, and even limited AI driver coaching for track sessions. It's raw and race-ready, but still manages to feel like a technological showcase inside. Under the hood, or more accurately, beneath its sculpted body panels, the F80 brings revolutionary performance. Ferrari has replaced the traditional V12 with a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain. At the heart is a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, working in tandem with a trio of electric motors, one for each front wheel and one assisting the rear axle. Together, the system produces an earth-shattering 1,200 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque. Power is routed through a next-generation dual-clutch 8-speed transmission, offering lightning-fast shifts and smooth power delivery. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in just 2 seconds flat, with a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour. It's not just fast, it's one of the fastest cars ever made. What's truly remarkable is how usable that power is. Thanks to the intelligent torque vectoring system, the F80 handles with a level of agility and control rarely seen in cars with this much power. The EAWD system constantly adjusts to provide optimal grip, whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing on a racetrack. The new generation side slip control and Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer 3.0 work in harmony with the magnetic suspension and carbon ceramic brakes to deliver razor-sharp handling and stopping power. It's a hypercar that invites you to drive it hard, while still offering a level of feedback and precision that builds driver confidence. Now, let's talk pricing. As you might expect, the 2026 Ferrari F80 doesn't come cheap. With a base price starting around $3 million, this is not just a car, it's a statement. And that's before options, customization, or special packages. Ferrari is reportedly offering a limited production run of just 799 units, and most of them are already spoken for by VIP clients. There will also be an F80XX track-focused version, which will push performance even further, likely at an even steeper price tag north of $4 million. But for the ultra-wealthy few who can afford it, the F80 delivers an unmatched blend of power, prestige, and future-forward engineering. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just a successor to the LaFerrari, it's a bold leap into the future. It combines electrified performance with race-inspired design and a tech-laden interior, proving that Ferrari is still the king of emotional, high-performance automobiles. It's the kind of car that will be talked about for generations, a true collector's item that also happens to be one of the most capable machines on the planet. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. If you enjoyed this review and want more detailed coverage of the world's most exciting cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications. This is a K Cars Reviews where passion meets performance. See you in the next video.